In this quick 3-minute tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to add witness signature fields online in just a few simple steps. If you've ever needed to add a witness signature to your document but weren't sure where to start, you're in the right place. By the end of this video, you'll know how to quickly add witness signature fields with ease, and I've got a special free trial of our recommended software for you to follow along. Let's dive in. First, open the software we're using today and load the document that you want to add witness signature fields to. Whether it's a contract, an agreement, or any document that requires witness signatures, this software will make it easy. Once the document is open, locate the area where you want the witness to sign. This could be at the end of your document or anywhere you need the witness's signature. In most software, you'll find an option to add fields or prepare document. Click on that. Now you'll want to choose the signature field option, but since we need a witness signature, we'll select the witness signature option. This option will create a field that's specifically designed for witness signatures, usually with some text labeling it clearly for the witness. Once the witness field is added, you can adjust its size and position. Make sure it aligns properly with the other fields on the document. You can also add multiple witness signature fields if needed. This is especially helpful for documents that require more than one witness. After placing the witness signature fields, you can also set up any necessary instructions or additional fields, like the date or witness's printed name, which is often required in these types of agreements. When everything looks good, save your document and send it to the necessary parties. The software we're using today makes it easy to share the document directly with others, where they can sign electronically. And of course, you'll be notified once the witness has signed, so you know everything is official. As a reminder, I've tested a bunch of popular document signing software, but I've found this one to be the most user-friendly and efficient for adding witness signature fields online. You can get an exclusive free trial of this software through the link in the description below, so don't miss out if you want to follow along and get started today. Here's the key takeaway from this video. Adding witness signature fields online is quick and simple. All you need to do is open your document, select the signature field, label it as a witness field, adjust it, and send it for signing. That's all it takes. To recap, load your document, add the witness signature field, adjust its size and placement, and send it off. It's that easy. And don't forget to grab your exclusive free trial of this software in the description below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.